Hey guys, it's SterlingW. We're shopping for a new portable wheeled camping cooler for our next camping trip at the beach and saw this. This is a ROVR RollR, and it actually has, a kit to mount it to your bike, which I thought was pretty good. It's already integrated into the cooler and you just basically get the kit. It also has a heavy duty handle that has a very wide handle, so two people could actually, pull this thing and lug it across the beach. We love camping by the beach, and usually our campsites, it's a little far from the beach. Or even if it wasn't far, the fact that it has like all-terrain tires that's pneumatic was pretty cool. The fact that it has other accessories like a dual cup holder, prepping boards, and other things you can mount to the side, I thought was very, very utilitarian. And of course, a big basket on top to put like beach chairs and stuff that you can mount while traveling with your bike. I thought this was pretty neat. I don't think you'll be going very fast with it, but the fact that it has all these other things, you could set this up as your campsite, like a cutting board on both sides. All these accessories are pretty awesome, and I thought it was well designed. Also, an umbrella holder inside the cooler. It's a roto cooler with compartments, which I thought was pretty neat. So you don't have to mix your drinks with your food, other food stuff, which I thought was neat. Basket on top, straps to the top of the cooler, and there's plenty of. It looks really well built, and those huge pneumatic tires are pretty awesome too. And the fact that it's already designed for biking or for light biking, I guess, if we're going to use our cruisers or our floating bikes to pull us to the down like a mile from where we parked or whatever, this would be still pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this quickie review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.